What's in the water with me?
Here we are, all geared up to go kayaking for our anniversary.
I don't know if you can see him. There's one over there breathing. See him? There's a whole bunch of them over this way. There goes one. They're just messing around. Wow, that's... Yeah. There's two of them over there. No, there's a whole bunch of them here. Alright, well, we just got here and there appears to be a ton of manatees right here in this area. Chris is worried about them flipping kayaks over. They are just, I don't know what they're doing. They're having a good time over there doing it. I would like one to come out and let me pet it. That'd be alright. I think maybe they're eating fish. I don't know if they eat fish. There's one right there. He's coming to see me. You can hear them breathing. They're like, psh.
So as you can see, it was a really romantic start to our anniversary.
Chris is over there. He's like, let's go on this kayak trip. I'm just back here going, wow, look at all the manatees. It's like manatee heaven. Alright. Wow, their tails are huge. These are big manatees. Alright, moving on. That's pretty cool. Okay, we are going to try to find the backcountry campgrounds. Hopefully we can find it. I gotta catch up. But see over there, let's see if I can do it, where the houses end, that is where the Canaveral National Park begins, and there's no people, and there's backcountry camping. You have to kayak out to it, or canoe. They rent canoes. Oh man, I don't think y'all saw that, but I just saw a mullet jump. I hope y'all can hear me. I hate to do voiceovers. I'm not a professional videographer at all. I probably am the suckiest. Oh, did you see that fish? I hope I got that. Fish there. We saw manatees already and a dolphin and a wild Chris. Hey baby, I caught it. It's very shallow. It's like a foot deep. But there's manatees. I think the center channel is way deeper. And then that right there, where those mangroves are, is, oh, there's a big stingray. Yeah, did you see it? I startled it, it went towards you. was pretty cool. So this looks like something here we're fixing to cross. Which side do we want to stay on?
Looks like a beach.
Oh, is it? Oh, it is just a beach. Beach area. We're not going to that beach. We are trying to find a campground or a campsite for our anniversary trip. There is a storm brewing out that way.
What?
Yeah.
Hope not.
Hope not too. Chris found a box. It's just a tub. No gold. I can't see it from where I was. I'm paddling to it too. We are fighting.
Flag.
Yep.
That's the
Dora
office.
house. Oh, the office. Okay. Oh yeah. Look at that. There's garbage. Sad. That's interesting. And if I can see the flag. Where's the flag?
Oh wait.
So that's where we're going. It does open back up. Down a little side road. That's where we came from. I thought there was a beach there, but there isn't. So we are heading down here. Upsetting the birdies. He's warning you. So this is the mangrove area back here. Ugh.
There's the boat ramp. That's where we can put our boat in. Right there.
Alright, I'm coming up.
Stay back here and go out there.
Where's that island from there?
What island?
The camping island.
In front of us.
It's still in front of us? Ugh. Alright.
We've gone that far, maybe a mile and a half, 2 miles. We
Yeah.
haven't gone that far.
No. And then we're fighting the current.
Yeah.
I mean, it's up to you if you wanted to stay back there. I like the breeze.
I like the breeze.
Okay, let's do the breeze. Yes, there's fish jumping out here and dolphins, all kinds of stuff. Oh, a stingray.
Should probably go to that side and
Did you want to go walk around Turtle Meow? Go get a view. Can you pull out and up there at Turtle Meow? I'd like to go see what the bottom. Let's see what the bottom of it looks like. I think that would be cool. Huh?
concrete wall.
No, the Native Americans built it. It shouldn't be a wall.
See what I see, right? That looks like a concrete wall in front of us.
It does, but it's the Native Americans. Maybe they built a concrete wall. Because the Native Americans had seashell factories. that they say the Native Americans made, but I think that they made these estuaries, and that's how they built Florida larger. They put stuff in. It's my theory. And then they catch fish back here. It's like easy. They got fruits and vegetables. I just found out recently you can eat mangrove seeds. I don't know if they cooked them or not. They mashed them up and made like a cake. Hey, that might be camping over there. Over that way. See that fish duck? Oh, it's just two birds. Wow. I saw that. Yeah, but it's not on the camera. I think that is the office. Yeah, yeah, that's the office. So that's where you would rent your boats. So that might be Shipyard Island. Right, okay. So there's a kayak launch, and there is a campground up in that island. Or is it this island? No, and look, that's not concrete, that's just shell. We're gonna find out. That would be pretty bogus. I said that would be pretty bogus. They built their shell mound with concrete. I'm gonna tighten up my hat. You better put your strap in front of you, you lose your hat. Alright, here goes that. There's that. Fish jumping, pelicans. Oh man, the gorgeous sun. This is perfect. Perfect anniversary. We have been camping on our anniversary ever since we got married. That's what we do. Kayaking or canoeing or camping. Is it? I'm so disappointed. It does. That's what I was thinking. Well, we don't have to get out. I mean, we could go up there to picnic tables and stuff.
Where?
Up at the office.
Yeah, we'll do that. There's picnic tables in there. I know there's picnic tables.
Are we in the middle? Is there a big boat coming? We're going to try to get us close over here. What is this? That's one good thing about having a bright orange kayak instead of like a green or blue one. Yeah. It is a concrete wall. Concrete jungle over here. Here now. Maybe it was washing away. This is a different look at Turtle Mound for sure. Oh, instead of parking in the shade, I want to see what that mound is made of. You can see it on this side. Oh, yeah, hiking trail. Yeah, that's what it's made out of. It's a giant mound of oyster shells and like Native American pottery and just garbage. And they said some of them contain dead bodies.
Well, look, if you come over here, you can see it.
Yeah. I was seeing it up there.
Yeah.
Like on the hill itself. Oh, wait, those are in bags.
Yeah.
How did the Native Americans get those plastic oyster bags? What? Oh my god. I can't see through here to see what I'm videoing. There's oysters. Bags on. This does kind of look like a hiking trail, though. I can push off of this oyster bed. I'm stuck. Okay, I'm still stuck. Okay, I'm not stuck anymore. Chris went up into the shell mound. Left me stranded here by myself to watch the kayaks. I think he's gonna climb this mountain of shells. Hey, fish outs. I'm gonna go get those. Oh man, and it's thundering very loudly.
That's the end of part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Breaking news, folks. Man follows trail, finds picnic spot.
So the path Chris found led us to Turtle Mound. He was right. We stopped under the pavilion here.
What'd you say? I was what?
You were right.
I was what? Say it one more time.
And so we hiked the little trail and came up top where it's nice and breezy. But because, look at this.
Well, that's a fire.
Oh yeah, there's a fire out there too. Oh. I can zoom up a little on the fire. Oh, there's the fire. Yeah. But yeah, there's also rain there and rain. It sounds like that we're gonna get over there. Let's see. Oh. Be careful, don't let anything fall out of there. Walk up this. I'll walk to the top, see if we can see the rain. No, it's a papaya. So the story behind this is the Native Americans built these mounds out of shells and nobody knows why. But that's the ocean. And this is Mosquito Lagoon. And you can camp on those islands, but some of them have like proper campgrounds. So yeah, we just stopped for a little bite. The ocean. There's a storm over on the ocean too side. So all done. So anyways, that's the papaya tree. Look at that.
What is that? Papaya?
Papaya.
Mango?
No, papaya. Look, there's papayas on this one.
On that.
I don't know if I can.
I thought they get bigger than that.
In the wild, I guess they don't. Or the variety, I don't know. And
Papaya.
Look at that puppy. Holy cow, that is a big Namajima. You scared it. You're so mean.
It scared me.
Ooh, there's one. Uh-oh. Now we're back down to ground level. And so that's where you come out if you come to the Canaveral seashore by land. Ooh. Wait, maybe this is sage. No, sunflower. What is that? Oh, I see it. So dolphin should be coming up here. We might have already missed it. I might have been too slow. Yep. They're all gone. Look at that fire. Is that the dolphin? He's got to come up for air, so.
Smell like sage?
No, it wasn't sage.
Yeah, this must be
Huge fire.
shady.
Right? It's nicer down here in the water. I'm gonna get my feet wet.
Buggy.
I don't see the dolphin. The whole time he was coming up going psh at me. I get down here towards the shore.
Oh, come on, get off of me, dude.
Mosquitoes.
Come on.
That's where we came from.
We gotta go.
Yeah.
We're gonna get eaten.
Okay. They're not lunch. We just had lunch.
Oh, they're on my back.
Back to basics, trip, survival. I'm coming. No! Oh yeah, I saw him! Awesome. I don't know if it showed up on the
Yeah, I think that might be the camping island right there.
I think so too, because
Looks like there's a couple
nice
beaches.
beach.
Well, maybe we'll paddle over there. Oh, there it is.
Oh, I missed it.
Right in front of me. It was.
Oh, I hope I made it.
probably gonna come up over here. There it is.
Ah, cool.
Yeah, call it over.
Here, dolphin, dolphin, dolphin.
And start beating on your boat. They can hear that.
I saw it again.
They hear that loud and clear.
Yeah, he's probably gonna run from that. Oh, look at it. That's so neat. I don't know if it's videoing, but I'm enjoying it. Oh, there he is right in front of us. I hope my camera's picking him up. That's so cool. Get a wet butt, baby. I'm coming in hot. Okay, let me pause this. That's a dolphin. There's kayaks are over there by them canoes. Is it? That's what I thought. It looked like bugs. Not too many alligators. No swimming or diving. Look at that. Oh, maybe that's why. Where?
There.
Oh, I see them. I wonder if they'll show up in the video. Nope, probably not. Oh, those are cool.
It's called needlefish. They'll fill your shrimp and help you.
There's our kayaks. There's a little birdie. A bird right there.
Yeah, when we have our boat.
He's probably looking for those fish. I don't know if you can see them. Weird looking. Oh,
Dead tide.
it's dead tide.
Yeah, I don't see it moving very much. Pretty still.
The fishing or crabbing. He's going out there on that lock. I don't know about that.
Right here, babe. Tied up.
Come here, have lunch.
Go in there. Have
Eat
lunch.
lunch.
Picnic right there. Go pee.
Yeah. Oh, this
Go
document
pee
is
in
too
there.
much.
And then get back in the boat. Go boom, out that way.
It was
go
air
that
conditioned in
way.
there. It was,
That way.
So it's pretty nice. That was a dolphin. He jumped way out. Stop rocking the ship.
I think we're at that tide.
Yeah.
Things gonna start coming in.
So then it's gonna go.
This way.
Then we're gonna be paddling against the current to get back. Ah, that sucks. Let's get in the kayaks and head back.
Okay.
I assumed that this whole time. Yeah. That's the ranger station.
Any other one. That's my wife of 36 years. With a little hottie toddy. She puts up with my. She's my love. She's my partner. She's my baby. My one and only. Well, you're in the video for right now until we get in the kayaks, and then you can video. Kayak or canoes.
Out that way?
Yeah.
No, there's a big building.
Oh, it's an open field.
There's a big building.
I see that.
Kind of dead horseshoe crab. We're paddling back. We saw like 20 dolphins. Telling it to That's dead for sure. Estuary life. It's the life, man. It's much harder going this way. I think it's because we found out that it's much easier to access the campgrounds from a different spot. So we want to hurry up, go back, pull out, go to this other camp spot or hidden spot. Hey, there's a big dolphin or something over there. And try to find, I think we're going to go try and find campsites. I don't know. We did not find the backcountry campsite. But now we have a map. Going past Turtle Meows right now, heading back towards the civilization. And we have a long ass ride ahead of us. Luckily, the tide is floating us this way anyway, so it's a matter of not being the kayak getting spun around backwards, and then you just sit still. Flag for the entrance, I think. Yeah. We ended up at a park. We're getting cooled off. And we're gonna do some more kayaking, maybe.
Finally found the north side of Mosquito Lagoon. We're gonna go put our kayaks in for a little while. See if we can go find this campground number 8. But man, what a place out here. Quiet. There's not a lot of people, plus it is Monday, so but there's not a lot of people. Anyway, coming up on Mary now. Kayak launch. There we go. There she is. Hello, Mary. I'm videoing.
Okay.
Would you like to say hello?
Hello.
She's so lovely, isn't she? Look at that smile.
Let's kayak.
Let's kayak. Bye-bye, people.
Oops, anyways, we found one of the So this is campsite number 8. Right. That's your boat. Oh, it's a drop off. Man. Here, set this up somewhere and knock it out. Uh-oh. I didn't want you to set it on me.
Bad.
Still down. Sorry.
Yeah, get your footing.
Put our shoes on.
I like to put my shoes on.
You're not gonna put your shoes
Yeah,
on?
you want to get your...
Oh, taking your dry bag. Flowers. And bees. And then up here is the campsite. It's not bad. You get a whole island for yourself to explore. This would be cool. That bird just threw himself in the water. Really?
Wait till you see it.
Oh my god, cow ant.
Yeah.
There we go. Cow ant. Yeah, I should wear shoes.
Nah.
There's a lot of ants here.
Looks like there's a path that goes around the island.
Oh, that's cool. Should I?
Right.
And that way?
Yeah.
They said there was no toilet.
There's a toilet.
Oh, someone brought a toilet out here.
It looks like the path goes that
Put a
way.
bucket under there. I don't want to go that way.
I want to go check it out.
No way. Deb.
What? Just a minute. Just give me a minute.
Anyway. What is it? I gotta go. Kayaks back there. People over there. They're not even tied up. They're just barely sitting there. It's fixing to storm. Beach on this side. Oh. Yeah, I can't believe you're walking through a field of flowers barefoot and they're covered in wasps. So, yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You can stay here.
Back here by myself.
I don't want to be so far away from my kayak. There are people here, but they're not camping, they're just hanging.
There's a picnic table up here, so we sit at that.
Okay.
It's close to the kayaks.
Yeah. Looks like people brought chainsaw and chainsawed some of the wood.
That's some mosquito wood right there.
Mm-hmm.
See the bench?
Yeah, we have to bring everything with you. This is backcountry camp.
Oh yeah. Food, ice.
Are our kayaks up good now? Because I feel like I can't see. A skewer? Marshmallow skewer? Cool. I'm going back over here to check on the kayaks. They're kind of that direction from where we are. Oh my god, there's so many bees. I don't know if we're going to be able to get back. All those bees we gotta walk
Those are
through.
ants. Those are places full of
Oh,
around that table.
it's
is
covered
full of
in
ants.
ants. So what do you want to do?
I guess we can float around.
Alright, let's float.
Go back.
Let me pause this. We made it across the way to the other island. The other island is back there. If I can, I don't know if it'll zoom up. And that's where we came from. There's a boat there. I don't know if it's still there. That's the island we came from. That's the one that has a campground, but this is right across from it. And
It looks like there's a spot already cleared back up in there.
it has a sign and everything that says keep it clean. But I don't know. Let's see. There's the sign.
Wait.
They don't want you camping on all the islands, I don't think.
You can get here with that little motorboat though. You can come all the way across.
I think so.
Yeah.
But yeah, just living the life, yeah.
This is sweet.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty cool.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, it's just getting worn out, you know?
Go eat something, get a drink. That's what I'm looking
Yeah, let's get our margaritas.
for.
Fancy
Pina
drink.
colada.
Pina colada. I'm seeing little fishies. Yep, that fish just jumped right behind you.
Did it?
So we gotta cross over this channel sooner or later. Ew. What's that?
That is manatee.
Okay. some crackhead lady followed me into the bathroom.
She's still in there.
No, she's not. She probably went wherever she was going. It's a big squirrel.
The squirrel's been shot.
Where? Ooh.
Got a little pink thing growing out of the side. What are you looking for?
Nothing, I'm videoing. Dolphin friendly fishing tips. That's where we...
Down in there I go. See all them big snook down in there?
Yeah.
That's where you're going. Got dinner! Come out with a snook like this. I got dinner!
That's where we kayak to, way over there. You can even see it in here, it's so tiny.
Oh, where that boat is.
Yeah, we were right there.
Behind the side, right there, and then we come back around.
Oh, I just saw a big manatee that I didn't get in on. Say something intelligent.
I love my wife for 36 years. Hopefully we can have another 36.
Aww. That's
I'll die before
sweet.
that.
That's sweet. You're so sweet. You're the sweetest person I know. That's why I married you.
You just,
Look at this old cedar. That's cool. Next to the
I like to chop some of that down to
palm, and then there's, yeah.
smell must be amazing.
It's so pretty here.
Do
Alright,
We did end up giving the rest of our honeydew to the homeless. And then we went out to eat at this insanely amazing restaurant. We loved it. The food was really good. The waitress that we had was amazing. We wandered around and checked out all the awesome artwork. There was stuff hidden in every cubbyhole of this place. If you get the chance, I totally recommend Norwoods. And we had such an amazing day, and my anniversary could not have been any better, and I couldn't have had anyone else that I would have wanted to spend a beautiful day like this with. And then on the way home, we had an awesome sunset.